This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla %20 Walker. Beautiful new construction in Willow Bend at Hillpointe. The York 4-bedroom, 3-bath home features open floor plan with modern finishes. 3 BRS down, 1 bedroom west/bath up. Very spacious kitchen and dining room. First floor primary bedroom has large closet and ensuite bathroom. Upgraded wood flooring downstairs. Enjoy outdoor living on the covered porch. The home also includes a rear entry 2-car garage. No neighbors behind the home. Craftsman brick elevation. The perfect blend of style and function. Located near parks, shopping, and dining. Make this beautiful new home yours. Call/text 757-652-1414 for availability details. June 17, 2025 for more information.